Are you searching for a TV that combines cutting-edge technology with stunning visual performance? The 55-inch LG QNED85T might just be the perfect fit for you. This 55-inch model from LG's QNED lineup is designed to offer an immersive viewing experience with advanced features that cater to both cinephiles and gamers alike. But is it worth the investment? Let's dive deep into what this TV has to offer, from its design to its display, audio quality, smart features, and more. The LG QNED85T sports a sleek and modern design that will easily blend into any living room setting. The TV is remarkably slim, measuring just 1.2 inches in depth without the stand, making it ideal for wall mounting if you want a clean, clutter-free setup. The bezels are minimal, which not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also maximizes the screen real estate for an immersive viewing experience. The stand, while simple, is sturdy and provides sufficient support for the TV. However, if you prefer mounting your TV, the slim profile of this model makes it an excellent candidate for a wall mount, giving your space a more cinematic look. Intrigued by the sleek design? Check out the full specs and find the best deals by heading to the description, where you'll find the link to purchase this TV on Amazon. The LG QNED85T is equipped with a 55-inch 4K UHD display that utilizes QNED technology, which combines quantum dot and nanocell technologies to deliver a vibrant and accurate color palette. The TV features mini LED backlighting with full array local dimming, which enhances contrast by dynamically adjusting the backlight in different areas of the screen. This technology is particularly effective in improving the black levels and providing bright highlights, making HDR content pop with stunning clarity. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth motion, which is a significant advantage for fast-paced action scenes and gaming. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie or playing the latest video game, the LG QNED85T delivers a crisp and fluid visual experience. If you love vibrant colors and smooth motion, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on our channel for more TV reviews and tech tips. Audio quality is an essential aspect of any home entertainment setup, and the LG QNED85T doesn't disappoint. The TV comes with a 2.0 channel speaker system, delivering a total power output of 20 watts. While this might seem modest, the inclusion of Dolby Atmos provides a more immersive sound experience, creating a sense of depth and space that enhances your overall viewing experience. Moreover, the AI Sound Pro feature intelligently adjusts the audio based on the content you're watching, ensuring that dialogues are clear and background sounds are well balanced. For those who prefer a more enveloping audio setup, the TV is Bluetooth surround ready, allowing you to connect additional speakers wirelessly. Enjoying this breakdown? Show your support by giving us a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more detailed reviews like this one. The LG QNED85T is powered by the latest WebOS 24, which offers a user-friendly interface that makes navigating through apps and settings a breeze. This smart TV comes with a host of popular streaming apps pre-installed, and the App Store offers a wide range of additional apps to choose from. What sets this model apart is its strong gaming features. With 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, you can enjoy 4K gaming at 120Hz, and the TV supports variable refresh rate and auto low latency mode, making it ideal for next-gen gaming consoles. The TV also comes with built-in voice assistants like Google Assistant and Alexa, along with LG's ThinQ AI, allowing for hands-free control over your TV and other smart home devices. Got thoughts on WebOS or gaming on this TV? Drop a comment below and let's discuss your experiences. No TV is perfect, and the LG is no exception. Here's a quick look at its key drawbacks and advantages. Cons: some blooming around bright objects in dark scenes, noticeable distortion at high volumes, banding in dark shades during HDR content. But despite these minor issues, the LG has plenty to offer that makes it a top contender in its category. Pros: vibrant colors and deep blacks with mini LED technology, smooth motion handling with 120Hz refresh rate, strong gaming features including VRR and ALLM, user-friendly WebOS 24 with robust app support, Bluetooth surround ready for enhanced audio. The LG QNED85T is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment setup. It delivers impressive picture quality, especially in HDR, and the combination of mini LED and QNED technology results in vibrant, accurate colors with deep blacks. Its gaming features and smart capabilities further enhance its appeal, making it a versatile option for both casual viewers and hardcore gamers. If you're in the market for a high-performing 4K TV that offers excellent value for money, the LG is definitely worth considering. Ready to bring this TV home? Make sure to check out the description for the Amazon link, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and buying guides.